Hey guys, what's up? Back in another video. Today we're playing Mines. Sorry if I'm feeling kinda sleepy. And it's 8:33 in the morning. Let's go. Getting so much. I'm gonna film. I'm gonna record another video of All Out. Okay. Let's go, guys. I'm trying to find what is it again? Legendary item. This game is really fun. And I'm not lying. Let me turn off that so you guys can hear my voice. This game, yo, there's a blue there. There's a bro, I cannot mine there. Where is it again? Oh, there. Boom. Ooh, an amethyst. Whoa, yo, I saw something. Yes. Yo, there's two. I'm a spam, guys. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Yo, that's sick. Boom, bam, 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 bam. I got the copper. I got a copper. I am so... I cannot say it. But I got this arrowhead. I think this is from a shark. Yo, is there another thing here? Oh wait, I hope I can go past. Yo, there's a blue. There's two! Oh my god, there's two. Again. There's two, bro. Let's go. Yay. I'm new to this game. And I just joined the group so I can get this diamond thing. Pickaxe. Something. Check out my pickaxe. Oh, the damage 56. That's pretty crazy. Let's go. Anything here? No. Boom. Down. Now it's floating. Let's go. Kapow. Kapow. Kaboom. Kapow. Kaboom. Kapow. Yo, there's another one. There's another one. Let's go. Nickel. Let's go, guys. I'ma sell. I'm lagging. She like when I join her, she leave the game and not play on the server part. Bro, what's happening, bro? What the? I just joined this earlier and I wanted to film because I sometimes think that I left out my YouTube channel. Sorry guys. What? My phone is now 5%. That's pretty. Diba? Wait, what level? Yo, let's go. So guys, I'ma be offline for a while, so I'ma end this video. This will be just a short video for now, but I'ma film later, bro. I'ma make a video later. Bye guys.